Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you love a clean home but hate spending hours cleaning, this is for you. Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm sharing 5 genius smart home cleaning hacks that you'll actually use. These are super simple, incredibly quick, and will leave your space feeling so cozy and inviting. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Let's get started. Vacuuming isn't fun, but this trick will make it amazing. Here's a game changer. Grab your favorite essential oil. I love using lavender for a calming vibe or lemon for a fresh scent, and add just a few drops directly onto the inside of your vacuum filter. As you vacuum, the warm air spreads that scent through your entire home. It's like a 2-in-1 cleaning and aromatherapy session. Seriously, your house will smell absolutely amazing, and you didn't do any extra work. Next, we're tackling a common problem: the stinky kitchen sink. Before you reach for harsh chemicals, try this all-natural solution. All you need is half a lemon and a little bit of baking soda. Sprinkle the baking soda down the drain, then squeeze the lemon juice over it. Let it fizz for 10 minutes, then rinse with hot water. The baking soda deodorizes, and the lemon provides a powerful, citrusy freshness. It's a simple, effective, and eco-friendly way to get your sink smelling brand new. Moving on, let's deal with smelly trash cans. You take out the trash, but the smell stays. Here's an incredibly simple hack. Before you put a new bag in, just drop a fresh dryer sheet at the very bottom of the can. That's it. Dryer sheets are designed to neutralize odors, and this little trick works wonders to keep your can smelling fresh between bag changes. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution that makes a huge difference. All right, hack number 4 is for anyone who dreads ironing. This one is pure genius. Take a piece of aluminum foil and place it underneath your ironing board cover, shiny side up. The foil reflects heat, so when you iron one side of your garment, you're effectively ironing both sides at once. This cuts your ironing time in half and gives you perfectly crisp results with less effort. Perfect for when you're in a hurry. Finally, let's clean the microwave without any scrubbing. We've all been there. Caked on food splatters that seem impossible to remove. Here's the magic trick. Take a microwave-safe bowl, fill it with 1 cup of water and a couple of tablespoons of white vinegar. Heat for about 3 minutes until the window gets steamy. Let it sit with the door closed for another 5 minutes. The steam will loosen all that grime, and you can just wipe it all away with a damp cloth. No scrubbing, no chemicals, just a sparkling clean microwave. So there you have it. 5 of my favorite smart cleaning hacks that are easy, effective, and make life just a little bit simpler. I challenge you to try at least one of these this week and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you love tips like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.